Okay, so today I'm going to be doing another pack opening. No, these are not the only packs I'm going to be opening. I am going to be opening some more, but yeah, and I can go over here to my set, to my no money spent account. And then if you look up in the top right, it says I completed it 140 times. And my other account, I've completed it like, I don't know how many times, like 30, 40, maybe. So I've done this over 100 times. But yesterday I got my luck. I might still have some if you go watch my last video.
It won't if you just calm down a little and let me help you. Wait, you guys fight humans here all the time, don't you? Pretty much.
Like a 97, 99. Okay. I don't expect to get anything out of these ones, but maybe if I do, it's gonna be okay, maybe it'll be 3. Finally, my favorite number.
Hey, ladies, what do you think? We got the chit chat and just fix this, huh?
Okay, so it looks like I'm getting nothing out of these. Is it something I'm lost to?
Hold on, wait. What if, say, you wanted to use your powers for something besides fighting demons, like, winning?
No,
Bigger than winning the lottery.
Oh my gosh, I did like, when I tapped the screen tactic. I don't know if it's really tactic, but it worked. Oh, I got something on the last pack. Yay, it's nice. It probably won't update my team. Well, it does update my team down there. But that's just to update like all my teams. But he probably won't be on one of my main teams like influence in my team if I didn't go home. Oh my god. Okay, so what was I doing? I was going to my team. So I go over here. Oh, he is up here. Oh yeah, because I sold my 100 overall. Oh, my team's a 101 overall now. Yay. This one is supposed to be 101 overall though, because my boost went up. It gives my team all the boost. Well, I guess I can walk again. Look a freak. Okay, it's up here.
Contestant number 1, press up knife skills, but contestant number 2 fights back by using fresh parts.
Okay, so
live together, lounge differently. IKEA.
Okay, there we go. I will be back with some more packs. See if I can get anything else. Okay, so I am back. I almost opened all these packs without you. So let's go.
Didn't you explain the rest to them?
Demons they were afraid of. Personal gain, not so much. Without our powers, I don't know how we're going to convince them to give them back. We're trying to get to it.
Oh no. No. Okay. Hope they do something. Nothing. Okay, I'll be back with one more or two more run-throughs real fast. Okay, so I am back and I am opening some more of these packs. I guess I'll do one more run-through because now I'm gonna get 4 packs. Oh no, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no. 101 Jimmy Butler. Bro, I actually tried to buy him off the auction block once. It did not go so well because people were going for like 300k for him when he was going for like 200k. 330k, I only had 207k. But yes, I just pulled him. I wanted him because how his speed and everything. Oh my god. A 101 pull out of a boomer, but no way. No way. No way. That's impossible. Oh my gosh. Bro. Even. Oh my god. What the hell is there? Look at his stats. Like his speed for center. His agility for center. 3.4 center. This is a center, okay. I want him because his defense, his block, his steal, and his speed and agility, and his shooting and stuff like that. He doesn't have one thing below 80. That's cool. Oh my gosh, I wanted him. I wanted him. Yes, let's go. Maybe I'll get that 104 Westbrook, my favorite card in the game, my favorite person, favorite NBA player. Okay, I will be back when I get some more of the hack. Is to go over here to 700, so you don't spend too much. That means every pack will only be 800 tokens or whatever you want to call those coins. Okay, so I will be back. Okay, so I am back. This is going to be my last run through for this video. And I'm going to open these 3 packs. I'm thinking I'm going to get some out of the last one because 3 is my favorite number. I know it's going to be 2 if I do get anything, but I want it to be 3. So if I don't get anything out of 2, then I'm not going to get anything. Okay, I'm probably not going to get anything. Once I get something out, I'm lucky number 3. Okay, so that was it for the video. Peace. Bye.